So here I'm going to explain you the empirical rule. The relationship between the normal curve and standard deviation is called the empirical rule. So this is the normal distribution curve. Why this is called normal curve? Because data here normally distributed. So in this normal distribution curve, the middle line represent x bar, which is mean. And from mean, you go to the right one, the first line here. So this first line represent x bar plus 1 standard deviation. Then again you go to the right, this line represent x bar plus 2 standard deviation. And the third and the last line represent x bar plus 3 standard deviation. And same way we will go to the left side, this first line represent x bar minus 1 standard deviation, and second line represent x bar minus 2 standard deviation, and third line represent to the left side of the mean is x bar minus 3 standard deviation. So here come to the middle line which represent mean here, x bar is mean, and to the right x bar plus 1 standard deviation, and to the left x bar minus 1 standard deviation. So within 1 standard deviation from the mean, 68% of the data lies. So this is the probability within 1 standard deviation, 68% of data lie. Same way, when we will go to 2 times from the mean, this represent x bar plus 2 standard deviation, and we go to the left side 2 times from the mean, this second line represent x bar minus 2 standard deviation. So within 2 standard deviation from the mean, so this data here 95% of data lie within 2 standard deviation of mean. Same way within 3 standard deviation of mean, 99.7% data lies. Let's jump to few questions we will do here. First question is, here is the question: a normal distribution has mean x bar, which is x bar equal to 45, and standard deviation, which represent this sign standard deviation, is 5. We have to find the range within which 68% of the distribution lies. So what we will do, 68% of the distribution lies, we know that within 1 standard deviation 68% of the data lies. So what is the range here? Write down the range: x bar minus 1 standard deviation to this is the range, to x bar plus 1 standard deviation. So what is our x bar is 45, which is mean is given 45, minus 1 time standard deviation is 5, and then and x bar, which is 45 here, 45 plus 1 time standard deviation, which is 5. 45, calculate it, 45 minus 5 and 45 plus 5. So here it will be 40 and here it will be 50. So what will be the answer here? 45 to 50. Question is, find the range within 68, within which 68% of the distribution lies. So we will write the answer: 68% of the data lies in the range 40 and 50. So this way we will write it down here, 40 and 50. So if you find out the normal, make the normal distribution here curve. So this represent here 45, and when you go to the right, 45 plus 1 standard deviation, here it will be 50, and 45 minus 1 standard deviation, here it will be 40. So within 1 standard deviation, 68% of data lies within the range 40 and 50. Now come to the second question. Second question is, find the range within which 95% of the distribution lies. Same way, so here remember this is mean here, and here x bar plus 1 standard deviation, x bar minus 1 standard deviation. So from here 68%. But when we go to the second line here, second line, so this line represent 95%, and this is the question we have. So this is here x bar minus 2 standard deviation, and this one represent x bar plus 2 standard deviation. So find out here 95% of the distribution lies in the range. What will be the range? Range will be x bar minus 2 standard deviation and x bar plus 2 standard deviation. So what will be the mean here? So 45 minus 2 times standard deviation is 5, and 45 plus 2 times 5. So 45 minus 2 times 5 will be 10, and 45 plus 2 times 5 will be 10 here. So 45 minus 10 will be 35, and 45 plus 10 will be 55. So here this line represent here 35, and this line represents, according to this question, here it will be 55. So what will be the answer here? So 95% of data lies in the range 35 and 55. So this will be the answer. Now next question is, what percentage of the distribution lies within 3 standard deviation? So within 3 standard deviation will be the range is x bar minus 3 standard deviation and x bar plus 3 standard deviation. So what here is the question, what percentage of the distribution lies? So you know that this is the standard deviation. So from first within 1 standard deviation 68%, within 2 standard deviation 95%, and here it is saying within 3 standard deviation. So within 3 standard deviation here 99.7% data lies. So what will be the answer here? So 99.7% of the distribution lies in the range x bar minus 3 standard deviation, x bar plus 3 standard deviation.